Hello guys and welcome to How to Socials. In this video I am going to show you how to download YouTube videos on your phone. So let's start. First open the YouTube app. Now search for the video you want to download. Now tap on the video and the video will start playing. Here you will see the download button beside the share button. In some videos the download button may be disabled by the channel owner. If it is enabled, then tap on that and the video will start downloading. It takes a few moments to download the video. And you'll receive a notification when it's completed. Now go to your library from bottom right corner and tap Downloads. You'll see all of your downloaded videos here. If this video helped you out, then don't forget to leave a like and see you in the next tutorial.